Hi there, Mac here from Prestige Cars Kent. This is a quick video walk around tour of our 2019 Mercedes-Benz CLS350d 4Matic AMG line Premium Plus we have new in stock. This is a ULEZ compliant Euro 6 diesel vehicle and the car is also VAT qualifying. I'm just going to walk you through some of the optional and standard features you get on the car. To begin with, on the exterior, you've got some of the AMG line exterior trim features such as the chrome trim inserts on the front and on the rear of the car. You've got a chrome trim window surround with the optional privacy glass. You've also got your LED tail lights as standard on the AMG line, and on the front your LED daytime running lights with the intelligent lighting system. You've got the 20-inch multi-spoke alloy wheels as part of your Premium Plus equipment line. That also gets you the electronically sliding sunroof on the interior. It gets you the memory package for the driver and the passenger seat with the full electric functions accessible on the door cards as well. This works in conjunction with the steering wheel column and the exterior mirrors. You've got the Burmester surround sound system as well, part of this package, the keyless go comfort pack, the COMAND online system with the touchpad on the centre console, and the 360 overview camera system, all part of the Premium Plus equipment line. You've got your lever-wrapped multi-function steering wheel with your touch swipe controls and perforated grab handles as a standard inclusion. On the centre console area with your touchpad, you've got access to your dynamic driving modes. You've got your wireless charging accessible in the centre console cup holder area. You've got your climate control functions and some of your infotainment controls. Your climate vents with the ambient lighting being displayed here. On the centre screen, you've got access to some of your in-car features and infotainment features, such as your sat-nav, your DAB radio, some of your driver assists and vehicle settings, as well as your light settings, and then you've also got access to your reversing camera from here with the 360 overview, which was part of the Premium Plus line. If you wanted to know any more information, wanted to book a viewing or a test drive on this 2019 Mercedes-Benz CLS350d, please contact one of our sales team through the number provided at the end or inquire through our website.